Are you confused on exactly how to actually teach letters? I'm here to tell you today that letter recognition doesn't have to be so complicated. Allow me to uncomplicate your life just a little bit by giving you 7 really fun activities that all are centered around letter recognition. The great thing about all these activities is all you have to do is download and print. Hey fun people! Welcome back to Everything Aja. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aja. Here on Everything Aja, I help parents and teachers just like you prepare children for academic success in early learners. And I do so the fun way. Those are my spirit fingers. Yeah, okay. Anyways, if you're interested in all that fun teaching, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and click the bell. All of the printables that I'm going to show you today are actually all included in my very own Ultimate Learning Bundle. And when I tell you guys, my 3-year-old has been doing these non-stop. And the letter K like clicked for her, and now every time we are in public or she sees print and she sees the letter K, she has to stop and say, K, Kindle, kite, kangaroo. Every time she sees the letter K, okay? So when I tell you guys doing these printables works, let me just give you my own proof that my daughter is really grasping the concept and she is loving doing these activities. So let me just get started so that you can really see exactly how these printables work. And of course, I have y'all hooked up. The link to all of these printables are down below in the description and also down below in the comments. So after this video, go ahead and buy your own. So let's just go ahead and see our first activity. Now the first activity are these really cute Play-Doh mats. You guys, children love Play-Doh. So let's turn Play-Doh into an educational experience. With these learning mats, children are able to actually create all the letters in the alphabet. Now for me, I went ahead and went to my local Dollar Tree and I went ahead and purchased these really cool, durable sheet protectors. Now they come with addition and subtraction problems. Just go ahead and pull those out. And now you have your very own Play-Doh sheet protector. Oh yeah. And then you simply just put the sheet in the sheet protector, and then your child can just make their letters directly on the sheet protector, and they have the capital and the lowercase letters. And when I tell y'all, kids love doing this. This is definitely my daughter's favorite activity. Now while you're at the Dollar Tree, go ahead and grab these really fun dot markers and go ahead and bring some on home, because our next activity is the dot marker letter trace. And with these printables, your child will simply use that same dot marker and they are going to write their letters using the dot marker. Just like with the mats, each printable has the capital and lowercase letter. And the really cool thing is, after your child actually uses the dot marker to draw their letters, then they can use their crayons to color the rest of the page. Now our third activity is going to use the same dot marker printables, only this time you're gonna head back to the Dollar Tree, and this time you're gonna go get some pom-poms and some good old tweezers. Now you don't have to get the tweezers, but I love the tweezers because they give that extra ounce of fine motor development. And with the tweezers, your child will have to grab the pom-pom and place the pom-pom on the whole of the circle dotted letters. And then it will form their letters, only instead of using the dot marker, they will be using some good old pom-poms. Now our fourth activity has another printout that comes in the learning bundle, and these are the fillable letter sheets. And your child can pretty much use any sticker in the world, and they will go ahead and fill in their letters using their stickers. Kids love stickers, so why not give them something productive to do with their stickers? Now our fifth really fun activity uses my very own learning binder. In that learning binder, there are pages that have the entire alphabet, right? And what you're gonna do is collect some bottle tops, and on each bottle top, you're going to write a letter of the alphabet. And then your child will simply have to identify the letters and go ahead and match the letters to their pages in their learning binder. This is probably one of my daughter's favorite pages in her learning binder. Now our sixth activity is all about my very own interactive learning board. With the interactive learning board, everything on the board is designed for your child to interact with their learning. So they're not simply just saying their ABCs, but what each child will have to do is go ahead and place their ABCs in the correct spot of the alphabet. So they kind of have to not only know their alphabet, but they also have to recognize their letters and know their letters in sequential order, and then place the correct letter in its correct spot. That is a lot of cognitive thinking right there. So with the learning board, what you would do, there's certain pieces that you glue on the board, and there are other pieces that you would simply laminate and Velcro. And then your child will simply place the correct letter in the designated spot. Now before we get into our last activity, I am dying to know, have you bought your very own ultimate learning bundle? Once you guys purchase the learning bundle, let me know down below in the comments how much your children are truly enjoying this bundle. I want to see pictures. Go ahead and post pictures and at me on Instagram. I love reposting what you guys are doing and building our community. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there because I give even more tips on how you can educate your young one. Alright, so our last activity uses the same fillable sheets that we used earlier with the stickers, only this time your child is going to fill in their letters using blocks. Any blocks at all. Even if your child is into cars, you can really use cars. But what your child is going to do is fill in that letter with their blocks, thus forming their letters. Only they're using blocks. So it makes it really fun and engaging and of course hands-on. Now if you've heard an activity that you're like, oh, I have to go get that learning bundle right now, then make sure you go download that learning bundle and make sure that you like this video. And if you want even more hands-on activities to teach your letters, make sure you check out this video because in that video, I'm pretty much giving you more hands-on activities. So what are you waiting on? Download your learning bundle and go watch that video. See you in the next video.